Hi folks, Mal here. Welcome back to Solway Aviation Museum and an update on the Blackburn Beverley by popular demand. So we are fast approaching the point where we can start getting some reassembly work done. The cockpit section is ready, that's been ready for a little while. Take you around the fuselage, the undercarriage upright fairings have been repaired, painted and replaced, so the undercarriage assemblies on both sides are good to go. Main fuselage painted silver with the black underneath and that fabulous orange nose. At the front here, the plexiglass has been replaced. You might recall that was cracked. Apologies for the mess the birds have already made, but that'll come off obviously. So that repair's been done. Similar down this side of the fuselage, you get a good view of the black underside here, the silver paint down the sides, and the undercarriage on the starboard side all sorted. We've got the 4 engine mountings. Had a lot of work done on those and they're painted up and ready to go. Ideally we would mount those on the wing before that section goes back onto the aircraft, but the wing is sitting slightly too low for that at the moment, so that'll have to be an afterwards job, but we can manage that with the telehandler. Here are the flaps. They're just waiting for one more coat of paint, so they've been treated, repaired, primed, painted up. And then you've got the main centre wing section, which has got the mounting points either side, two either side for the engines, well, the engine mounts and then the engines. At the starboard undercarriage upright has a ball joint on the top of it, so that'll be one mounting point for the wing, and you can also see 2 mounting points protruding upwards from the fuselage just to the right of the undercarriage upright. So the wing section will mount there, obviously the cockpit section on the front, and that's what we need the cranes for, and then that will give us the basis to start getting everything else back together onto the aircraft. Because there's ailerons, there's the tail boom section to do, there's the engines to remount, the clamshell doors, one of which you can just see there, still in its desert camo, those to go back on, and of course the tail section. Now we've not started painting the tail section yet. It's complete internally, sat back over here, so tight for space in this compound, but you can see, so externally the tail boom hasn't had any work done, but internally I've showed photos of that before. That's looking really good. So with all that said, once we've got the painting finished, and there's a little bit of work going on some fairings at the back of the wing at the moment, we'll then be able to call the cranes in and get some reassembly work done. And I'll bring you more updates on that as and when we get to that point. But if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments section. I'll endeavour to answer them, otherwise hopefully somebody with a bit more knowledge on the project will jump in and answer them for me.